This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 6, Skylight, smoke detector, oven, TV, awning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, LP detector, refrigerator, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.